Okay, so let's revise the topics what we have learned. Just a glance for a minute in the last few lectures. So we have seen how to handle select and the difference between distinct select and normal select, which prints the unique names. And we have seen where keyword in SQL which is used for a condition, and with the where keyword we have used how to use AND operator, and we have also seen how to use OR operator, and AND OR both operators we have used together to print an output. Even that scenario we have seen how to use them together. Make sure that you write it in brackets when you are using both together, this AND and OR operator. And we have also seen IN operator. Okay, so which is an alternative for OR operator to make it more clear and more crispy. And apart from IN operator, we have also seen between operator and negation between operator using NOT. Okay, so these are the main keywords which you can extract the data from the table. Okay, these especially these or, in, between, and are logically used almost in every query. Okay, if you clearly observe, though there are some other operators you use on top of it, saying group by something which we'll be learning in our coming lectures, but the end finally you will be ending up with writing on a logic using these operators. Okay, no worries, whenever we talk into the depth topics still there, where group by, inner joins, even there will these operators will come to very much handy, right? So we are done with the basic, getting the queries and all. So before we jump into those group by SQL and all, let me explain you few words about regular expressions used in the SQL. Okay, so there are two main operators which we need to consider. One is percentile and other is underscore. Okay, so let me explain you. Percentile stands for any character, whatever it is. Okay, now if there is something like A, B, C, D, just assume that there is sentence like this. You are sure that the first letter will be A. Okay, you are not sure about what comes after the letter A. In that particular moment, if you want to get the names where first letter should be A and you are only concerned for it, whatever letters come the next after letter A, you are not bothered about, but you want to get the names whose letter starts with A. In that cases you can use A and percentile. Okay, if you write like this, it will print all the names which starts with the letter A followed by any number of characters, 0 to infinite. Fine. And assume that you want second letter as a B. You are not bothered about what the first letter is, but you are only bothered about the second letter. In that case, you can use this underscore operator. Let me explain you. Underscore stands for a single character. Okay, it's if you give that, there will be only one letter at that particular place. And now I will say B and I say underscore. What this mean? This interprets as there is one letter, underscore in the sense there is one letter, first letter, whatever it is, I don't know, but second letter is B. Thereafter any letters, I'm not bothered again. So here I am telling that my name should be in the such a way that first second letter should be B followed by any letters. If you are interested in having third letter as C, but you are not bothered about first two letters and whatever after third letter, then you can give two underscores, first letter and second letter, whatever it is, and C and percentile. Got it? So percentile is basically used for any number of letters, but underscore stands for single letter, and you want first letter as A and thereafter print the names with only 4 characters where first letter should be A. Let me write it here. If this is your scenario, print the names with 4 letters or 3 letters where first letter should be D. What you do? First you write D, okay, and 3 letters only, right? 2 underscores. That's it. For first letter will be D and 3 letters. So percentile any letter underscore single character. Okay. So these two operators we use in our regular expressions when we are dealing with SQL queries, because there is a situation like they want employee names whose name starts with letter A, because they are just playing a game and they want to separate the people who stands with the letter A at a point and letter B to other side. In that case, they can simply write query saying where name starts with A. I'll tell you how to write a query with regular expression, but ultimately we will end up by writing like this: A percentile. That means whatever name it is, it will start with letter A. If they want letter B as a second character, then underscore B percentile. Alright, let's do practically also. I'm just throwing a light on the explanation between the percentile and underscore in handling regular expressions. Okay, if you are clear with this, in the next lecture, let's open the new database. Rather, till now we have handled QA database which created by me, right? We will just try to open the database which we got when we downloaded this SQL World Test. Okay, we'll open this and try to use these regular expressions on those tables to get our queries. Okay, we'll do that in our next lecture, and thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel QA Click Academy in YouTube, and as well as subscribe for a newsletter where you'll get discount coupons to my courses and interview questions and many job postings as well. Okay, see you there.